You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those words. This is the verb to stand. If you want to learn more irregular verbs in English, all of them in fact, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you to learn more. The verb is to stand. So, British English pronunciation, how it's pronounced in the UK, stand. In American English, in the US, stand. Similar pronunciation. Now, the past tense and also the participle is stood. Stand, stood. Not stewed, stood. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.